We are about to create the latest MrBeast video. I'm sure if you've not seen that video, let me quickly show you the screenshot of that, or the thumbnail. As you can see, this is the thumbnail. As you can see, this video was released 2 days ago. I helped 2,000 people work again. Now I'm going to recreate this, and this will lead us to our face swap, and I'll show you how to face swap images, right? So I already copied it, so I'm just going to bring it in here to my Control A, Control V, and I'm just going to generate. Most times I've noticed with regenerate, people want it identical. They don't want it somewhat separate. This is being a real artist. When you call, they say all artists are thieves, but be a better thief, right? And with YouTube, go and check it. A thumbnail that has worked in the past will definitely work again for 2 reasons. It has blown up. People have seen that thumbnail before, and the algorithm already knows that this kind of thumbnail worked on our platform, and they will use it again. As you can see, it created something similar, but you'll notice the legs kind of looking muscular, which I don't like. So I'm going to regenerate this again. I'm going to regenerate this. As you can see, it's close. It's actually very close to it, close to what you want. And some people might leave the legs the way they are because they are surprised. Why do a woman, or why does a woman have a masculine leg like this? And why does this black man have a very thin leg? Do you get? So people might just wonder and just leave it the way it is. So as you can see, we created another one with the same guy. And you can see different ones, but I'll prefer this first one. I'll prefer this first one if you ask me, because they might have given them a different kind of leg. So we just go with that. You can just do something like, let's edit that. Make the doctor, make the doc dark skin. Okay, let's see if it's, yeah, I spelled that wrong, right? Let's just see if the AI understands me. So let me pause this and get back. So we are back again, and I think I prefer this. So we made the doctor dark skin, and we have the patients here with their legs, and they are smiling to the camera. So this is a perfect one. We can save that.